Hello guys, welcome to our channel Stamatics tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss real analysis important questions. Real analysis semester 3 unit 1. Unit 1 you are having 19 questions. First one, every convergence sequence is bounded. This theorem you can expect for short answers. So convergent sequence definition also you can get for short answer. Next, show that n root n equal to 1. Show that r power 1 by n equal to 1. So these questions you get for long answer. Next, properties of convergent. This also you will get for short answer. Some properties will be there along with proofs. They'll ask for short answers. Next, every convergent sequence is Cauchy sequence. Every Cauchy sequence is convergent sequence. These theorems are important for long answers. So while you are writing these theorems, don't forget to write the definition of convergent sequence and Cauchy sequence. That will give you full marks. Next, Cauchy convergent criteria. This also you can expect for long answer. Cauchy convergent criteria theorem is nothing but this two theorems combination. So case 1 you are going to prove every convergent sequence is Cauchy sequence. Case 2 you are going to prove every Cauchy sequence is a convergent sequence. So this two theorems combination is 7th one. This is also for long answer. Next, every Cauchy sequence is bounded. This you can expect for short answers. Next, a convergent sequence has unique limit. This is also for short answers only. Next, monotone subsequence theorem, monotone convergent theorem. These two also you can expect for long answers. Comparison test, two comparison tests are there. So from that you may get for long answers. Next, limit comparison test, state and prove limit comparison test, or else sometimes they'll give you directly the statement. So this also you can expect for long answer. Next, root test, ratio test, Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem, alternating series theorem. These five theorems are important for long answers only. And based on these two theorems, root test and ratio test, you will have the problems also. Not only these two, you will have the problems related to limit comparison test also. Next, we are having the problems on limits. So finding the limits of the given sequence, finding the whether the series is convergent or not. Then that time you can use the p series test, ratio test to check whether the sequence is convergent or not, or else Cauchy sequence problem, convergent sequence problem. So that all you can expect problems for short answers. Next, definitions related to convergent sequence, Cauchy sequence, increasing sequence, limit of a sequence. This all the definitions comes for short answer. Overall from unit 1 you are going to get long answers from 5th, 6th, 7th, 10th, 11th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From this questions only you are going to get long answers. And at the same time read the corresponding problems also. If you are reading ratio, if you are practicing ratio test, then practice the corresponding problems of ratio test. Related problems also you have to practice, because they might ask along with theorems problems also. So this is about unit 1, and remaining all you can expect for short answers. Next we go for unit 2. Unit 2 you are having 12 questions. First one is limit based problems. Next, continuity definition. This two comes under short answers only. Properties of continuity. You can expect one short answers from this properties. Next, absolute maxima minima theorem. Very important long answer. Next, Bolzano theorem or intermediate value theorem. Property, intermediate value theorem or property. Location of roots property, means same theorem only, intermediate value theorem. This is also very important, 4th and 5th. Next, problems on epsilon delta problems. You can expect for short answers. Next, uniform continuity definition and related problems also you can expect for short answers. 8th one you are having that if f is continuous on a comma b interval, then it is uniformly continuous on a comma b. Otherwise If it is uniformly continuous, then prove that f is continuous. So this theorems you can expect for long answers. And 10th one is a combination of 8th and 9th theorem. That is, if it is uniformly continuous, then we have to prove it is continuous. If it is continuous, then we have to prove that it is uniformly continuous. So this 8th and 9th theorem combination is 10th one. Case 1 and case 2 you have to write. So this is also very important. Next, prove that f is uniformly continuous of a set S, then sequence Sn is a Cauchy sequence. Then sequence f of Sn is a Cauchy sequence. This is also, you can expect this question also for long answers. Next, last question, show that f of x equal to 1 by x square is uniformly continuous. Now, so this also you can expect for short answer, or else in long answers along with this 9th 10th, suppose if they have given you as 9th question, so along with that they may ask you uniformly continuous problems also, that you can expect for long answers. So overall in unit 2 you'll get long answers from 4th question, 5th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So from this 5 you are going to get a long answer, 1 or 2. Don't forget to prepare the problems also. And at the same time, while you are writing the theorems, if we are writing this theorem, suppose if you take this uniformly continuous theorem, first write the definition of uniformly continuous, then start writing the proof. For each and every theorem, write the related definitions also. Next we are having unit 3. Unit 3, 8 questions are there. So first one is problems on increasing and decreasing functions. So this you can expect for short answers. Next, very important theorems are there here from second. Rolle's theorem or mean value theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem. So from these three, at least one you will get for long answers. So very important theorem. Sometimes they may give you two from this theorems also, two questions as long answers. And at the same time prepare the problems on this three theorems also. Problems on 5th question, problems on above 3 theorems. So you have to prepare the problems also. And sometimes they may ask you the statements for short answers. State Cauchy's mean value theorem, or state Lagrange's mean value theorem for short answers. So they may ask you the statements also for short answers. Next we are having L hospital rule problems. This you can expect for short answers. Next 7th question is Taylor's theorem and problems. Taylor's theorem, state and prove Taylor's theorem, that you can expect for long answer. Related problems also you may get for short answers, or else in long answers only one bit they'll ask you as state and prove Taylor's theorem. Along with that they may ask you the related problem also. Next theorem, this also you can expect for long answer. If f is differentiable at a point A, then f is continuous at A. Overall in third unit, you may expect second, third, fourth and 7th. From these 4 questions you can get the long answers. Remaining all you can expect for short answers. Okay, this is about unit 3. Next unit 4. Unit 4, first question, define norm, partition, lower and upper Riemann sum, define lower and upper Riemann integral, or define Riemann integral. This definition you can expect for short answers. Next, oscillatory sum definition also you can expect for short answer. Problems on Riemann integral, this problems on Riemann integral or problems on norm you can expect for short answer. Next, third one, every constant function is Riemann integrable, every continuous function is Riemann integrable, every monotonic function is Riemann integrable. From these 3 questions definitely you will get one question for short or long. So these 3 theorems are very important. And at the same time, every constant function is Riemann integrable. They might give like this, or a constant function is integrable on closed interval a comma b. So integrable or Riemann integrable is same. So you can expect one short or long from these 3 questions. Next, show that this is also very important. M into b minus a less than or equal to integral a to b f dx less than or equal to capital M into b minus a. This is also very important long answer. Next, State and prove necessary and sufficient condition of integrability. So this is also long answer only. You can expect for long answers. Next, properties of Riemann integral. You are having 8 properties. From that, the main important are this 5. From this, you may get one short question from this. So first one, integral a to b minus f dx equal to minus integral a to b f dx. Second one, integral a to b c f dx equal to c integral a to b f of x dx. And third one, integral a to b f plus g of x dx equal to integral a to b f of x dx plus integral a to b g of x dx. Fourth one, if f belongs to R of closed interval a comma b, then f square also belongs to R of closed interval a comma. And it means if f is Riemann integrable, then f square is also Riemann integrable. Next, fifth one, modulus of integral a to b f less than or equal to integral a to b mod f. So this, from this properties you can expect one short answer, or else you can expect any two for long answers. So very important properties, you will get one. Ninth question, fundamental theorem of integral calculus 1 and 2. So you are having integral calculus based 2 theorems are there. First one is very important, second one is also important. Based on this we have problems also. If at all you get this for long answer, definitely they'll ask you problems based on this integral fundamental theorems only. So prepare problems also while you are preparing this theorem. Next, state and prove intermediate value theorem. State and prove Darboux theorem. This also you can expect 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th completely comes under long answers only. So you can expect one long. Let f be a bounded function on closed interval a comma b. If f comma q are partitions of closed interval a comma b, then lower Riemann sum of f comma p less than or equal to lower Riemann sum of f comma q less than or equal to upper Riemann sum of f comma q less than or equal to upper Riemann sum of f comma p, or else directly they may give you as lower Riemann sum of f comma p less than or equal to upper Riemann sum of f comma q. So this is about long answers. From 9th to 12th completely belongs to, you get long answers from these questions only. Overall in third unit, long answers, very important questions are 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th you get for short answers. So say 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this belongs to long answers only. Sometimes intermediate value theorem they might ask you for short answers only. So this is about unit 4. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you for watching.